Well, I'm in a 2018 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this cap. This is the top of your radiator, and this would be the main coolant reservoir you ever need to add to. You check the system while the vehicle's off and it's been cooled, just because this system works under pressure and the liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out all over you. If you have to check the radiator for some reason, you can just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this pulls right off, and then you should see coolant just sitting right in the center there. And this is the reservoir you typically add to, which on the side there's if you can see it, it says max right here, so this is kind of your max line, and then your low line would be below that. But just unscrew this, and then with the funnel and your diluted coolant or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed till you run the max line. Don't fill completely to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. And double check you've got the best coolant for your make and model, and ideally match the same color of what's in here already. Better not to mix and match coolants if you can help it. But once you've topped this off to the max, screw this back on nice and tight, and then I would double check through your reservoir, your lines all through for any possible cracks or leaks. One way to do that is, once everything's tight again, turn the motor on and you have the vehicle running, and as that coolant circulates, you might see some puddling around the engine bay under like a crack or a loose line, or under the radiator if the radiator is cracked. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it have a slight sweetness smell to it. It should have a slight coloration to it, and then you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and you feel it. It should have a slight slickness feel to it versus what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.